Welkom by Agra Draadloos Direk. Alles wat saak maak in die landboubedryf met trots aangebied deur Agra. Agra, a better life.
Have you heard? Agra Provision is having an Easter special this March and April. Get expert training, which includes a training manual, attendance certificate, refreshments, and lunch, all for a giveaway price of 950 Namibian dollars. The following one-day courses are on offer: Farm Safety on the 16th of March, Urban Gardening on the 19th of March, Agri-Chemicals on the 8th of April, Farm Worker Welding on the 10th of April, Cattle Health and Feeding on the 14th of April, and Financial Literacy on the 28th of April. To apply, go on the Agra website, click Provision, Upcoming Training, and select the course that you would like to join. Or call us on our landline on 061 290 9208.
Dit was Agra Draadloos Direk vir hierdie week. Skakel weer in vir nog insigte en nuus. Met trots aangebied deur Agra. Agra, a better life.